Good afternoon. You are welcome in your own channel, English with Omer. From many years, we are listening two words, THA and then, THEN then. But most of people among us, they don't know where to use these two words. These two words look similar. These are just like pair of words. In this vlog, we will see where to use these two words. The first one is THAN, then. Then word is used whenever you are going to make any comparison between two person, between two groups, distinct person. So, how can we use this word then? He is taller than you. Mr. A is taller than Mr. B. So, what is going in this comparison? I am going to make comparison between two person, Mr. A and Mr. B, and the main attribute is taller, their height. Mr. A is taller than Mr. B. She is taller than you. You are taller than her. You are younger than her. So these are all sentences are used to make comparison on one attribute, taller. So in same regard, you can use other attributes like older, younger. She is younger. She is older than her. She is younger than her. So viewers, use of word then is very easy to understand now. Just to make comparison between two person, between two parties, between two classes or any two groups. There you can use this word then. Now we come to the next word, THEN, then. Whenever you are going to give some time slot to any person, you are discussing any time slot, just like, hello mister, match will begin today at 3 p.m. I will see you then in stadium. Party will start today at 9 p.m. I will see you then in that place. So use a word then based on a time slot. Whenever you are appointing any time slot to any person, any group to any group, there you can use this word then. So my dear viewers, you can very easily understand now the use of these two words, then and then. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you in my next vlog. Thank you.